Healthcare facilities always have a unique and clean interior design, which addresses many factors including the safety and function of the space, as well as the welfare and needs of the users. Welcome to Brava Casa Interior, a diverse and innovative design firm based in Dubai that specializes in creating and delivering unique interiors for healthcare facilities all over the UAE and GCC, according to the international requirements and approved material as per UAE guidelines. Our wide range of experience amongst a variety of sectors has allowed us to combine aesthetics and professionalism to create your dream design. As a full-fledged interior design firm, we provide comprehensive services for interiors that include interior design consultancy, turnkey fit-out solutions, MEP solutions, exhibition and events, and much more. We offer bespoke services to meet the desires of each client, including designing and creating custom furniture, along with furniture design, fabric, lighting, antiques, or any style of interior decoration to match perfectly with the overall design vision of your space. We can handle every single aspect of your healthcare space interior fit-out project so that you don't need to run around to find different materials or suppliers of various products. With our turnkey fit-out solution, you don't have to worry about anything. Just move in the space when the project is completed. Fulfilling the design is not our only main goal, but achieving the client's full satisfaction by going above and beyond their expectation is given priority at Brava Casa. Our design team of highly talented and expert professionals with years of experience are among the most ambitious, target-driven, and creative consultants. We have worked with many major and multinational companies in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and now we look forward to working with you. To learn more about our services, visit our website at www.bravacasadxb.com.